Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Today, we're talking about English for a lazy day at home.
Yes, a simple and relaxing conversation for a slow day.
Let me ask you something. Do you ever have a lazy day at home?
Oh, yes. I love lazy days.
Me too.
Today feels like a lazy day for me.
Why is that?
I feel tired and relaxed at the same time.
I see.
It's morning now.
What time is it?
It's around 10 o'clock.
That's a nice time to relax.
Yes, and the weather is calm today.
Is it sunny or cloudy?
It's a little cloudy but bright.
That sounds nice.
I stayed in bed longer today.
Oh, really?
Yes, I didn't wake up early.
That's okay sometimes.
What do you do on a lazy day?
I stay at home and move slowly.
Slowly means not fast.
Yes, not fast.
I like slow days.
Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet.
Why not?
I wasn't hungry early.
I understand.
I usually eat simple food on lazy days.
Like what?
Toast and tea.
That sounds easy.
Easy food feels good on lazy days.
I like soup on lazy days.
Soup sounds warm and nice.
Yes, especially when the weather is cool.
After breakfast, I sit on the sofa.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
What do you watch?
Simple shows or short videos.
I listen to soft music.
That sounds relaxing.
Relax means calm.
Calm. I like that word. On lazy days, I don't want to rush.
Rush means move too fast.
Yes, I don't like rushing today.
Me too.
Do you clean the house on lazy days?
Not much.
Oh, really?
Just small things.
That's smart.
Lazy days are for rest.
I agree.
Rest means stop and relax.
Rest is important. Sometimes I feel bad on lazy days.
Why?
I think I should do more.
That happens to me too.
What do you do then?
I remind myself it's okay to rest.
That's good advice.
You should listen to your body.
You should rest when you feel tired.
Exactly.
Busy days come later.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Yes, many things. On lazy days, I like to wear comfortable clothes.
Me too.
Soft clothes feel better.
Comfort is important at home.
Do you go outside on lazy days?
Sometimes, but not far.
Where do you go?
Maybe to the balcony or the garden.
I stay inside most of the time.
That's okay.
Home feels safe and calm.
I agree.
In the afternoon, I may feel sleepy.
Me too.
Do you take naps?
Yes, short naps.
Short naps are nice.
Long naps can make me feel tired.
I see.
Everyone is different.
That's true. Later, I think about dinner.
What do you eat on lazy days?
Simple meals.
Like rice or pasta?
Yes, easy food.
Cooking can feel hard on lazy days.
Yes, that's a small problem.
What's the solution?
Simple cooking or ready food.
That's a good solution.
So today we talked about a lazy day at home.
Yes, and we learned simple English for relaxing days.
We talked about food, rest, and feelings.
And simple daily actions.
This conversation feels calm.
That's the idea.
Maybe next time we can talk about evening time.
That sounds nice.
Let's continue this later.
Yes, we can.
Welcome back.
Hi again, Adam. I'm happy to continue.
Me too. The lazy day is still going.
Yes, the afternoon feels slow.
It's after lunch now.
What time is it?
It's about 2 o'clock.
That's a quiet time of day.
After lunch, I feel very relaxed.
Me too.
Sometimes I feel sleepy.
That's normal.
On lazy days, afternoons are very calm.
Calm afternoons feel nice.
I usually sit near the window.
Do you like fresh air?
Yes, a little fresh air helps.
What do you do near the window?
I look outside.
What do you see?
Trees, clouds, and people walking.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
Peaceful means very calm and quiet.
Yes, peaceful. Sometimes I check my phone.
For messages?
Yes, messages from friends or family.
Do you reply quickly?
Not always.
That's okay on a lazy day.
Yes, no rush today.
Rush means hurry.
Right, hurry. On busy days, I hurry a lot.
Busy days feel different.
Very different from today.
Lazy days are a break.
Break means rest from work.
Exactly.
I think breaks are important.
I agree.
In the afternoon, I like light activities.
Like what?
Reading easy things.
Books or articles?
Short articles.
That's good.
Long reading feels hard today.
I understand.
Sometimes I clean a little.
Just a little?
Yes, small cleaning.
Like washing cups?
Exactly.
Small tasks feel okay.
Big tasks feel too heavy.
Heavy means hard.
Yes, hard. Do you ever feel guilty on lazy days?
Sometimes.
Me too.
Why do you feel guilty?
I think I should work more.
I understand that feeling.
But then I feel tired again.
That's a problem.
What's the solution?
Balance.
Balance means not too much and not too little, right?
Yes, balance.
You should rest, but also do one small thing.
That's good advice.
One small thing feels enough.
Enough means sufficient.
On lazy days, I also practice English.
Oh, really?
Yes, very light practice.
That's perfect.
I listen to calm English conversations.
Like this one?
Yes, exactly like this.
That makes me smile.
Listening helps my ears.
Ears help listening.
Speaking helps my mouth.
And your confidence.
Confidence means feeling sure.
Yes, feeling sure when speaking.
Lazy days are good for confidence.
Because there is no pressure.
Pressure means stress.
Correct.
I don't like pressure on lazy days.
No one does.
In the afternoon, I may drink coffee.
Coffee on a lazy day?
Just a small cup.
That's fine.
Too much coffee makes me nervous.
Nervous means worried.
Yes, worried.
A small cup is okay.
After that, I sit again.
Sofa time?
Yes, sofa time.
That sounds nice.
I sometimes talk to myself.
In English?
Yes, simple English.
That's a good habit.
I say things like, I feel relaxed.
Very good sentence.
Or, today is a slow day.
Also very natural.
Talking like this helps me think in English.
That's important for beginners.
Beginners need simple practice.
Simple and friendly.
The afternoon goes slowly.
Time feels different on lazy days.
Yes, time feels longer.
Longer, but nicer.
Later, I think about the evening.
What do you plan for the evening?
Nothing special.
That's perfect for a lazy day.
Maybe I'll watch a movie.
A calm movie?
Yes, not loud.
Loud movies feel too much today.
Sometimes I feel hungry again.
Afternoon snacks?
Yes, small snacks.
Like fruit?
Yes, fruit or biscuits.
Simple snacks are good.
Simple things make lazy days better.
I agree.
So today we talked about a lazy afternoon at home.
Yes, and how to enjoy slow time.
We talked about rest, light activities, and feelings.
And easy English practice.
This conversation feels very comfortable.
That's our goal.
I think the evening will be calm too.
Maybe we can talk about that next.
Yes, the evening part sounds interesting.
Let's continue with that.
Welcome back again.
Hi, Adam. I'm glad we're still talking.
Me too. Now it feels like evening time.
Yes, the lazy day is slowly ending.
It's early evening now.
What time is it?
It's around 6:30.
That's a quiet and gentle time.
The light outside is soft.
I like evening light.
Me too. It feels warm and calm.
Calm evenings help me relax.
In the evening, I usually change my clothes.
to something more comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Comfort is important at home.
I don't want tight clothes in the evening.
Me neither.
Soft clothes feel better after a long day.
That makes sense.
Do you help with dinner in the evening?
Sometimes.
What do you usually cook?
Simple food.
Like what?
Rice, vegetables, or soup.
That sounds easy.
Easy meals are good on lazy days.
I don't like cooking big meals today.
Me too.
Big cooking feels tiring.
Tiring means making you feel tired.
Yes, tiring.
Small meals are enough.
Enough means not too much and not too little.
Exactly.
While cooking, I sometimes listen to music.
Soft music?
Yes, soft and slow music.
Music makes cooking nicer.
After dinner, I sit again.
Sofa time again?
Yes, sofa time again.
Lazy days have a lot of sofa time.
That's true.
What do you do on the sofa in the evening?
I watch TV or talk with my family.
Talking with family feels good.
Yes, it feels warm.
Warm means comfortable and happy.
Exactly. In the evening, I don't want loud sounds.
Me neither.
Loud sounds feel too much.
Quiet evenings are better.
Sometimes I feel a little bored in the evening.
Oh, really?
Yes, when I don't know what to do.
That can happen.
That's a small problem.
What's the solution?
I choose one simple thing.
Like what?
Reading a few pages.
That's a good idea.
Or watching a short video.
Short videos are perfect.
Long movies feel too heavy today.
Heavy means hard or tiring.
Yes, tiring. In the evening, I also practice English a little.
That's great.
Just a few sentences.
That's enough practice.
I say things like, today was a slow day.
Very natural sentence.
Or, I feel relaxed at home.
Also very good.
Saying sentences out loud helps me speak better.
Speaking out loud is important,
Even simple sentences help.
especially for beginners.
Sometimes I make mistakes.
That's okay.
I say, I am boring, but I mean I am bored.
Good correction. Bored means you feel bored.
Thank you. Corrections help me learn.
Yes, gentle corrections are good.
I don't feel scared to make mistakes now.
That's very good.
After that, I start to feel sleepy again.
Evening makes many people sleepy.
Sleepy means ready to sleep.
Yes.
Before bed, I prepare for tomorrow.
What do you prepare?
Just small things.
Like clothes or plans?
Yes, clothes for the morning.
That helps the next day.
It makes mornings easier.
Easier mornings feel better.
Then I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Normal evening routine.
Routine means things you do every day.
Exactly.
When I go to bed, I feel calm.
Calm is a good feeling before sleep.
I think about nice things.
Like what?
My lazy day at home.
That's a good thing to remember.
Yes, slow days are special.
They help us rest and recharge.
Recharge means get energy again.
Correct.
Slow days help me recharge.
Me too.
So today we talked about a lazy day at home.
Yes, from morning to evening.
We talked about relaxing, food, and simple routines.
And easy English practice.
This kind of conversation feels friendly.
That's what we want.
I hope listeners feel relaxed too.
I hope so.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope this topic helped you.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.